Welcome to session 10. Many of you proposed last semester to do qualitative studies, and this will be a way for you to get a glimpse at the coding process with qualitative data, which is in some ways many more complex, but more nuanced, I think, in terms of implications or insights. This session depends that you have some memory of last semester when we explored the potential ways of coding qualitative data. But it also is a place for you to think about the reason that you introduced any kind of open-ended questions. That's going to be really essential for the work you do this week. One thing about this week is there's no new reading. You've read the kind of context that you need last semester as well as this semester already. So this week we're focusing on getting right into the work and the practice. You'll watch two videos, the Qualtrics video on analyzing text data, and then by special request I did a screencast and tried to walk you through the steps. However, my video initially was too long, and so I had to cut parts of it out, and so hopefully it won't be too disjointed. You can make a choice to use it or not. Your primary task this week is coding themes. Many of you talked about using colored paper or tabs or colored pens if you were going to do the coding in Word in your proposals last semester. Here we're going to follow the same kind of approach, except we'll be able to do it within Qualtrics. So a little bit low tech. After coding, and you'll code 100% of the responses for at least one open-ended question this week, you'll just make a screenshot of your analysis, and then you'll post that in Padlet. And of course, all these many weeks, the final stage is using Flipgrid to provide feedback to each other, to provide insights on what you've learned and what you might think about doing differently in the future in Flipgrid. Next week, you'll go through the same process either with the same or a different question. But the primary task is to refine the themes that you've yielded through your qualitative data collection.